Top 9 Belt Sanders. 1. Craftsman Mu 213, powerful motor with variable speed. 2. Metabo HPT SB8 V2, precise sanding with strong motor. 3. Makita 9903, auto tracking belt for detailed work. 4. Black Decker DS 321, affordable with good grip and dust control. 5. Ryobi BE 319, simple, portable, and efficient. 6. Rigid R2740, variable speed and effective dust cleaning. 7. Milwaukee M18 Fuel, cordless convenience without sacrificing power. 8. Skill 7510-01, easy to use with effective dust filtration. 9. Wen 6321, affordable with versatile features. Visit the link in the description for more details.